My name is Carrie White. I'm the Associate Director of Counseling and Testing, and also I am the Student Health and Wellness Program Manager. Here at the Counseling Center, we have licensed mental health therapists who provide one-on-one counseling for students. So if you are on campus and you realize that there's stuff going on with you, or you have had counseling in the past and you would like to reach out for our services, we are free to the students, and all you have to do is go onto our website and click on the student portal and fill out an application, and we schedule an assessment to find out kind of how we can help, and then we go from there. We have 2 different hours for walk-in counseling. Use a walk-in if you're just having a particularly difficult time, or you just need somebody to talk to, or you kind of want to figure out even what counseling is about, or if it's the right thing for you, you can come in and talk to a counselor. Our Student Health and Wellness program is just getting started, and so far we've had a great response to some of the groups that we've put together. We have our Finding Center group that kind of gives a space to connect with your body, and also a way to kind of ease your mind, and it's a great way to manage anxiety, it's a great way to manage stress, it's a great way to just find a sense of peace and calm. We also have a restorative breath and movement class, which is specifically designed to help with people who are struggling with anxiety, because we know that a lot of students coming into college have that as a challenge. We also have a group called Honest Conversations, which is for girls or women who are in the dorm or in the village can join, and it's just a place to talk about sexual wellness, about good boundaries, about relationships, and kind of those struggles that all of us are in. We also have a men's self-help group. No, that's not it at all. It's a men's self-care group, and that's in the men's dorm. And just a space to talk about kind of what's going on in your week, in your world, questions about, just like what it is to be a man in 2020. And then we also have a pornography support group for people who are needing to work through a pornography addiction, kind of come out on the other side more victorious. Some of the things that we're working on in the Student Health and Wellness program are trying to address sleep, knowing that when you're in a really stressful environment, sometimes sleep can get disrupted, and that can become an issue. And so we're going to find ways to address that for students so that they know more and they feel like they have better resources to figure out kind of how to manage that part of their life. Another thing that we're working on is a group for stress management that's also going to help address things like anxiety, maybe even panic attacks, and ways that you can sort through those things in a better, that feels more in your control. We're also working on a depression course that students can learn more about what it means to manage depression, what are the signs and symptoms, and sort of what are the best ways to make that less of a problem if it is one. So yeah, some of the stuff we're working on. You should follow Instagram. Our Student Health and Wellness is shw.wwu, and that's a great way to find out the new and upcoming things we're doing. Just at the end of last quarter, we did a big event, and we gave away free burritos, and we had beet sugar sparkling lemonades, which was a lot of fun, and talked about our resources. So we're always coming up with something, and if you follow us on Instagram, then you will be in the know.